Welcome to Why a Viessmann Account. First, let's start with commissioning. Here you'll see commissioning of a 100 series boiler. Commissioning with the onboard display is possible with all models of boilers, unless it's in a cascade scenario. And the new E-Series 200 boiler with cascade would require the use of the V-Guide app. Other benefits, instead of commissioning the boiler through the onboard display, is the V-Guide app will allow it to pull information like time and date right off of the phone to ensure that's set correctly. Also notice here how easy it is to convert the boiler from natural gas to LP, as well as inputting any elevation to the boiler to overcome no elevation derate up to 10,000 feet. Furthermore, you can input preset heat curves. Those will not be adjustable later unless you leave those predetermined curves in a custom field. If you leave them in a custom set point, you can actually go in and get graphical feedback. And by adjusting your slope and shift, you'll be able to see that. You'll be able to adjust your domestic hot water time and temperature programs, if applicable, with your combi or heat-only boilers. And lastly, at the end of it, this will create a full commissioning report to ensure that you have the knowledge of how it was commissioned. Now that the boiler's been commissioned, once the homeowners connected the boiler with their VCare app, which will register the boiler for them, as the contractor, you can then go into your vguide.viessmann.com or vguide web and start building your network of boiler installations and quickly see if there's any issues or failures, along with quick notifications if a problem were to arise. And you can start populating boilers into your remote monitoring capability with permission from the new homeowner and their new system. Once the boiler's been connected, you'll be able to make finite adjustments and help them along the way. From any location, you'll be able to hit the app switcher button in the top right corner and get to things going back to V-Guide using our spare parts app, account management, Pro Toolbox, and even your own warranty and returns with a full Viessmann account. If you have any issues getting a full Viessmann account, you can get a hold of your local sales rep or email that you see on the display in front of you. Thank you for choosing Viessmann.